They will inspire the next generation. Once again, your official candidates for Mr. International Philippines 2025. And now, based on the actual outfit last session event, to present the award, Mimi Colon, Arthur Valentino, and Brent Jonathan Mendoza. The best in a random outfit is Robin Singh. Congratulations. Now let's award the Mr. Glamour, voted by the MIH Foundation and MIH staff. To present the award, Mimi Colon, Jess Mendoza, and Marcus Parker. The Mr. Glamour is Isabella. Congratulations. Now let's award Mr. Fitness, voted by our judges. To present the award, Mimi Colon, Norman, and Archie Nolan. Our Mr. Fitness is none other than Congratulations. Now let's award the face of the press. Our in-house artists. To present the award, we call on John Lee and Amy Pablo. The face of the press is Filipino Community of USA. Congratulations. Now let's award the Mr. Bohemian Project. To present the award, Mimi Colon, Jay Patensela. And the Mr. Bohemian Project is Rizal. Now, let's give this the awardees for Media Choice. Second runner-up. This award is voted by our media friends and family. Second runner-up to present is Mr. Matthew Coryu and Xenia Lara. Congratulations. To present the first runner-up for Ethan Choice Award, may we call on Marley, Sana, and Emil Canala. The first runner-up for Ethan Choice Award is Batangas Travelers.
Walking on the skyline with all the stars aligned.
And for more, this year's Ethan Choice Award winner, may we call on Mary Jamale and John Kali. This year's Ethan Choice Award winner is Legaspi. Congratulations. And the most popular press title, the press favorite, voted by the MIPH organization. To present the award, may we welcome Stefano Bali and John Maligay. This year's press favorite. Congratulations to Lucena Say, John Paul de la Luz. Congratulations, everyone. But we are not done yet. And just before we close, the Bohemian Project has something incredible coming your way. Back again to share the news, ladies and gentlemen, Ethan Manalo.
Announcement that we are to make is that yes, there will be an extra category for Mr. Bohemian at the grand finals of Mr. International. And the mechanics for this award will be as follows. So each of the candidates here will be getting a referral code of their own. And they will be able to use this code as their tool to track their progress in this particular category. They will use this code to refer to their friends, their family, and basically their home network. You must encourage people to buy products from the Bohemian Project, and using the code that you are given. The person with the highest will be awarded Mr. Book, and the winner will be given an exclusive award at the end of the night. So be bold, be real, and be bold. Good luck to all of you, and have a good day.
Thank you, and congratulations to the Bohemian Project.